Right, Sanibulani guys, and welcome back. And we're doing some pre-checks before we submit our PAT phase 1 now for submission. And what I've noticed is we've got no page numbering in. So let's go ahead and add some page numbering to this, and I think that will round off our document quite nicely. So we're going to go double click our header here, and if we go over here to page numbering, guys, if they're not fussy about what kind of page numbering you're putting in, as long as there's page numbering in. So again, that's up to you. I'm going to go for dots here. All right, so dots, there it is. And that should be good enough. Some people want to put their name and surname in here. By all means, you can do that in the footer. All right, but for me now, just for now, I'm just going to go dots. I'm also going to say different first page, so make sure that you've got that selected, that it doesn't appear on your cover. All right, and that's that one done, page 1, and page 2, page 3, that's lovely, page 4, and page 5, yes, page 6, and page 7, and that's how we carry on through our document. Now remember, this findings here is for phase 3 function. All right, conclusion, we're waiting to still carry on with our next phase. Our bibliography, everything's in, folder structure, right. I don't like this one. Let's pull this one up a little bit more here. Right, that's a bit better. Right, so check your document very carefully. Make sure you've got all your questions in. Make sure that everything's referenced that has to be. We're just busy having a look. KWL issue would have populated, and declaration of authenticity is in as well. All right, guys, that looks awesome. So that is then this PAT document then basically done. I think also just make sure that you update all your tables and your reference tables, your table of figures. Make sure all of this stuff is updated, because the educators do check this. References again, update table, update entire table. We're just doing a quick check to make sure everything is in that has to be in. So looking good so far. Guys, I think that's it. And then we are ready for submission. Check back in the next video, where we will then go through the actual marking rubric and see what your potential is for what percentage of mark you'll get for your PAT. Great. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.